Rising majestically from a tranquil man-made lake in Nakhon Ratchasima, Wat Ban Rai, commonly called the Elephant Temple, is a breathtaking fusion of art, faith, and symbolism. The temple's iconic design takes the form of a massive elephant representing Ganesha, the Hindu-Buddhist deity of wisdom and remover of obstacles. Its four tusks signify the Buddhist principle of letting go of material attachments, guiding visitors towards spiritual clarity. Every inch of the temple's exterior is covered in vibrant mosaics, each telling stories from Buddhist teachings and Thai folklore, creating a tapestry of morality and compassion. The surrounding lake enhances the temple's symbolic meaning as the elephant rises from the water, bridging the gap between the material and spiritual worlds. Encircled by intricate sculptures of mythical creatures and celestial beings, Wat Ban Rai invites visitors to reflect on the interconnectedness of all life. More than just a temple, it stands as a profound expression of wisdom, harmony, and devotion, a true masterpiece of Thai culture and spirituality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more amazing content.